Hold it for a while. Okay. Got that song. Happy birthday to you. We can hear you guys. We can hear you. To you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let's hit it one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Alright, so Clarice goes right here and countdown. Okay. And make a wish, come on, make a wish, close your eyes, make a wish. And everything will be easy, hold it, countdown. Happy 18th birthday, Clarice Ramos! And if you like us, ain't wrong. Clarice on the open, and this one is dito lang isa. For your time and effort para makasama sila tonight. So let's listen up for this proud mom of Dorothy.
Pag-aral ka daw mabuti, sabi niya po sa inyo. Sana matupad yung pangarap mo mag-doktora. Salamat po sa mga punta sa birthday ni Clarice. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo.
Okay, so that's the message from the parents. And right now, Clarice, it's about time para marinig namin na yung pasasalamat, heartfelt gratitude, and sentiments for everybody. Guys, let's give it up for Clarice Ramos' message.
Thank you sa parents ko para pagkagaspisan ko sa mga pumunta, sa mga gusto, sa mayaw, sa mga pagulong ko sa panigura ng mga craft. So, thank you.
So Clarice, happy 18th birthday, and you are very blessed. Napakapalad mo sa pagkakaroon ng mga mahal na mga magulang na tulad nila na sumusuporta sa iyo, mga lola't lola na nandyan lagi para payuhan ka, para sumuporta. Mga kaibigan ni Clarice na nagmamahal sa kanya. Guys, mag-ingay naman para krakahan. Okay, sa mga kamag-anak ni Clarice na nagmamahal, guys, mag-ingay, come on. Napakapalad ko ng Clarice. So right now, we're all hoping and wishing para sa magandang kinabukasan na magkaroon sa iyo someday. And also, always believe in yourself. Ikaw lamang ang nakakaalam ng full potential and capabilities mo, okay? So believe in yourself and reach for your dreams and goals. Happy birthday, Clarice! And on behalf of our birthday celebrant and her family, guys, we thank you all for coming. But we still have party pagkatapos nito. Thank you so much, and we're hoping na nag-enjoy kayong lahat sharing with us this 18th birthday of our dearest Miss Clarice Ramos, guys. And before we have the Cotillion dance again, let's give it up, guys. Palakpakan natin. Happy 18th birthday, Miss Clarice Ramos, everyone! Alright, God bless us all. Thank you. Concept Beyond Events. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the evening, guys. Let's start the party.
Bye-bye.